Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to put an image behind text. So first open your folder where you have your image and drag and drop your image into your document. Now as you can see, it split my text, so in order to put it behind the text I will have to click on it and then go right here into these options and select behind text. Now, as you can see, my image is behind this text, but since this text is copied, it cannot show the image. You have to have the text without formatting. So in order to do that, just select the text, right click, and then click on clear formatting. Now, as you can see, once the formatting is cleared, your image is visible. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.